Right, first of all, knee pad, gloves. This is a line motor that I'm using. If you're a newbie or a beginner or you've never touched a trowel before, this is the easiest way to point your flags. This flag is that deep, so what I want to do is, that'll go right to the bottom, this will go right to the bottom, so you want to push the motor down right to the bottom. Always work back on yourself. So move along. You want to hold your trowel at an angle. Don't have it flat, because when you pull back, this will drag it out. So what I'm doing is making sure I push to the bottom, and with forcing it, it'll push to the sides as well. All the joints have been pre-wet. They're actually damp at the minute. Any puddles, you'll just get a sloppy mess, and that's not what you want. This is a 5-1-1 mix. For longevity, it'll, when the flags heat up and cool down, this will allow for it. What you can do, you can brush it off, you know, at the end when it's dry, but I like to do it as I go along. Back end of my trowel. I've got the mix quite good, so it's not going to stick to the flags. And then just move the sheet across and do the same. Just enjoy yourself, take your time. Don't panic if you get anything on the flag, because with the lime it'll just wipe off. Just wait for it to dry out and then just wet it with a sponge, soak it, and then wipe it off. Might take a couple of times. But that's all you have to do, just keep plodding along. It's not a race. Make sure your sheet goes to the end, just push it off, push it in. I prefer this lime mix, this 5-1-1 to a 3-to-1 sand and cement. 3-to-1 I find too hard, and it's more prone to hold water and crack. If you got any voids, just fill them. But these vary from 5mm joins up to 45mm joins. But forever changing your trowels because of the thickness of the joints. But don't do your pointing when it's too hot it'll dry out too quick. But with this mix that I've got in, I can actually spray it over. So I just put my hose pipe on a mist and then just spray over just to keep it damp. Don't soak it. This was only just put in about 2 hours ago. But just dampen it over like that so it doesn't dry out, and then tomorrow absolutely soak everywhere, and then the next day just soak everywhere again. But that's the main thing. You want to keep it from drying out too quick. My company's called GMT Point, and just keep a lookout for my new posts. Thanks.